welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another tutorial, and today's video is all about finding right kind of products and finding right kind of niches that sells amazingly well on Zazzle, because this is one of the most requested video. And today is the time for tutorial, because on Sundays we talk about the tutorials and I show you how to make something or how to do something. So today I'm going to show you how to find the right kind of product and right kind of niches for selling amazingly well on Zazzle to make more sales. So let's dive into today's video. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources, the link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, download it. It contains a full commercial license so you can use it. And also soon we are going to start with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The content will be completely exclusive. Right now it's on waitlist. Make sure you subscribe to it. It's 100% free. There is no catch. And once we are starting with that, we're going to sending you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content to help you make more money. So let's dive into today's tutorial and today's very interesting video, because this is one of my favorite website. Zazzle is one of my favorite website where I sell the work. I love stationery and I love creating them. So today I'm going to show you what kind of products that sell amazingly well and how to find it and how to find the right niche so that it can help you in this holiday to actually make some good amount of money. So let's dive into today's tutorial. Okay guys, currently we are on the Zazzle, and you can see this is the first home page of the Zazzle that we will going to land on. The above it's written that the job September sales and all. Now I'm going to show you the three different ways, ways in which you can find the right kind of product and right kind of niche to sell in. The first idea that I have for you is looking at the home page of the Zazzle. This home page of the Zazzle keep on updating each and every week, each and every month, depending on the occasion, depending on the holiday. You could find a trending niches, a trending product ideas on the very first home page of the Zazzle. Now you could see here, don't miss out the falling into place, 50% off invites and announcements, celebrate all things autumn. So that means this is the most trending topic right now. That's the autumn, that's the fall season, the Halloween is all around the corner. So you can see the different kinds of the invitations. You could see the baby shower invitation. This is for the Halloween. This is for the wedding celebration, the envelope. So these are the popular right now because it's the fall season. So if you want to go with the kind of the product or kind of the paper products invitations, then you could hop on with the wedding invitation. That is related to the kind of like a fall theme because it's a trending one, which is related to the fall, Halloween and all. Let me just scroll down. Another thing you could see the trending on Zazzle, the health and home care, wedding, Halloween, birthdays, baby shower. Let me scroll down more, hit the ground running. So you could see the make the Monday fun days with custom office supplies. So office supplies are always in demand. Like you could see the office supply is an evergreen niche, as an evergreen product, because if you go with the fall seasons, the fall niche or fall product ideas could be in trending only when the fall is there, but this one is the evergreen. So I would say make a balance between the evergreen and the trending niches and trending products, so that when the trend is there you could get the sales from the trend, and when the trend is gone then you could get the sales from the evergreen. This proper balance. Now you could see the office product always sell amazingly well. Now you could hop on what are these products are. Now this is the post-it notes, this is the mini binder. Then here is the spiral notebook. Then this one is the poster. Again is the save the date card. This one is a poster, the clock is there, the calendar is there, and business cards. So these are the product related to the business. So if you are going with a niche business, then you could make the products such kind of thing. Just go scroll down, you could see the top picks over the day, or maybe a month, whatever it is, it just keep on updating. So you could see the mugs are popular, postcards, pillows, aprons, then the invitations, tote bag. Then you could see the wedding suit. Wedding suit are always kind of like an evergreen niche, rather than if you go with the trending kind of invitations like the fall or the Christmas invitations and all, but most of the time it's evergreen. So you could see this is the invitation, this is the response card, the favor bag. Here is the flat save the date card. Here is the label, that's a food and beverage wine label. Here is the poster, the same is the case of here the announcement postcard and so on and so forth. So today's moment of inspiration for every day, and this is a fall wedding. So right now, the celebrate Halloween during COVID-19. So this is the most popular right now, which you can hop up, the Halloween. The college life and the geek ride, you could also make the product related to the college student, the graduates or undergraduate, the postgraduate. You could see the different kinds of products that are related to it. That's the buttons, iPhone cases, the button, then the mug is there, again the button is there, and so on and so forth. Scroll down. Let me just scroll up, and I'm gonna go over here. We're gonna go over to the section is health and personal care, because I've been talking a lot about the wedding, so I won't be going into the wedding, so I'm gonna be going into the health and personal care. Now this is the second way to find the right kind of product. Just click over to this, and then you're gonna see the bunch of the different products you have here. The most of them are kind of like a face shield. Face shield would be in trending because people would be going for the business or for the kind of meetings in this COVID, and they would be needing that. So these are the disposable, the hand sanitizer bottles, the hand sanitizer packets, safety signs. So these are popular in the health and personal care. So you could target them and you could make according to it. These are the product ideas, these are the niche ideas related to the health and personal care. That's in training right now. Once this coronavirus goes away, I don't know how long it will going to be there, but once I think it goes away, then masks and face shields won't be that much popular. Maybe they would go down, but still don't know when it will going to happen. But again, you can target it right now, but because the coronavirus is still there for this 2021. I don't know about the 2022. So, but again, you could make the products related to it and you could target it. And sanitizer bottle, I think that it would be popular after the COVID as well, because people will going to use the sanitizer and will going to use in the normal meetings as well as a sort of a prevention. So it would be there. Same with the sanitizer packets. But again, it's a great niche idea. Then you can see another niche idea I'm going to talk over here is the face mask. Now you could see the face mask, bunch of them are kind of like patterns. This is the floral pattern. This one is the monogram first name. You could make a one. This one is again a design. And like most of the niches I see is the kind of like a popular the floral or textures or patterns. Now this one is the purple cloth mask, the watercolor one. And you get the idea what I'm talking about. This one is the your logo. This one is a business sanitizer. You could target a business niches and kind of like a make such kind of posters, such kind of products. And yeah, let me just go back and we're gonna see some another trending niches. I think I'm gonna go with the baby shower because I've been already touched the weddings. So this is the second way to find out the product ideas or the niche ideas that would be popular. Now you could be seeing the baby shower invitation. Now I think that baby shower invitations or baby shower is popular all throughout the year. It's an evergreen niches because babies are born all throughout the year. So it would be an evergreen. So the most popular is invitations and the envelopes. So let me just scroll down. You could see the different kinds of niches and product ideas you have on the very first page itself. This is the second way. Whenever you're aligning for any particular kind of topic on Zazzle, you're going to see on the very first page, in the very beginning itself, you're going to see the products or the niches that are popular in that kind of category. So you could see the baby girl is popular. This is the baby boy. This was the woodland, the safari, the Disney, Winnie the Pooh, and boho, floral, teddy bear, rustic, and elephant. So these are the niches. These are your friends. So you could actually hop on and click over to them and actually see what kind of baby shower invitations are selling in these categories. And if I just scroll down, you're going to see this is a floral one with a baby girl. Is again with a baby boy. So these are the mini elephant, baby elephant, and you could get the idea that these are the popular products or popular niches in the baby shower invitations. You could create a one and you could go with that. Let me just go over, and if I go over to the baby boy, let's see what kind of baby shower invitations are there because it seems easy. Now you could see the different kinds of niches in the baby boy shower invitation. The safari one, the drive-by invitation, virtual shower invitation, shower by mail invitations. So these are some niches, some product ideas. Now there is a lot more than I could actually cover in this video, guys, but you get the idea what I'm talking about. So you could see it's a boy, the different kinds of illustrations. Now you can get these illustrations from the Creative Fabrica, from the Creative Market. You can get these watercolor illustrations or normal digital artwork illustrations from there. I'm going to leave the link of the Creative Fabrica, a Creative Market, in the description box below. You can check it out, but you could get these illustrations and you could make the baby shower invitation out of it. Now this one is a little bit simple. I could say that it's just the watercolor splashes they have used, but there is no major illustration like an elephant or like. Another thing I want to talk about, that the animal illustrations and floral illustrations are more popular in the baby shower invitation. You can see that every other illustration may have some kind of a animal or some kind of like a flower. So here is a baby elephant. The elephant is more common. You could see this is a fall baby shower invitation with the pumpkin. So it's popular right now. The teddy bear, the animal one. So this one is the idea, and you guys just scroll down and see the different bunch of the stuffs that you have over here, which you can hop up and which you can actually target. Now this one is the balloon. So you could have either a animal illustration, floral illustrations, or kind of like a leaf illustrations, or with a balloon as well, and you could make this one. Okay, another way to find out what's selling well for the product ideas is just go over to this section over here. Okay, now you're gonna see the very first thing you have is the invitations and the cards. That means the invitations and cards sells amazingly well. That's why they are on the very first on the topic on this section over here. And you could see the invitations are popular, and you could see the different kinds of wedding invitations, the baby shower and pregnancy, the birthday, the religious, and the holiday seasonal, and all that. Another thing is popular is the greeting cards. The thank you cards is more popular, the birthday cards, the anniversary cards, congratulations card, and so on and so forth. Same with the stationeries and accessories. So the invitations and cards are kind of like an evergreen niches. It just depends on what kind of invitation you're making or what kind of card you're making. If you're making the Halloween card, then obviously it would be a trending one. Once that Halloween is over, then no one will going to buy that Halloween card. But if you're making the birthday card, then birthday card will going to be popular all throughout the year, because we have birthdays all throughout the year. So that would be depending on the niche, but this is a product that you could hop on and you could make a trending niche idea in that, or you could simply go with the evergreen. It depends on you. The anniversary cards were also going to be popular all through the year. Same with the congratulations. Like you could have a graduation congratulation, you could have a baby shower as a congratulation, or some kind of like achievement in person's life. That could be a congratulation card. Another thing is popular is the wedding. Wedding is amazingly popular. The first I covered about the invitation stationery. The second you could hop into the party supplies, because the wedding is related to the party. It could be given to the bridesmaid or groomsman, or the briding on baby shower, the invitation, the bachelor party, and all those kind of table signs, the bunting flags, the templates, the mason jars, the favorite and gifts. You could see the different kinds of sunglasses, the candies, the magnets. So these are the different kinds of products you can hop on. So let me just go over to the favors and gifts in the wedding. And if I go over to the sunglasses, because I think, or maybe I could go over to the for a bridesmaid, because if you're targeting the wedding niche and you're going with the bridesmaid gift, then you could see the different kinds of gift ideas for the bridesmaids over here. As a cards, bags, t-shirts, mugs, sandals, bottle labels, the compact mirrors, the ornaments, the buttons is also popular. Then the mason jar, the robes is there, the can coolers, the hats. So these are the gift ideas that you could make related to the bridesmaid. That's the wedding niche. So if you're making a wedding suit or wedding collection, I have already made a video talking about how much you can make or how much you can expect from the Zazzle. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. In that video about making a collection around some event, some occasion, and some holiday. So if you're making a bridesmaid collection related to the wedding, you could incorporate all these products in that collection, because these are sent as a gift to the bridesmaid, and you could put your design over there. You could see the ideas over here. This is the mug. You could see
related to the bridesmaid, the same with this. Another, if I just hop over to that, leaving the wedding and invitation, if I see the clothing and accessories, you could see the different kinds of the t-shirts. Now these are the popular designs, the popular niches in the t-shirts. The same is in the case of clothing and shoes, but let me just go over to the t-shirts because t-shirts are the most common product that sell well in kind of like a print demand category, and people do buy as a gift. Here, the popular designs, these are the niche ideas and these are the occasions. The birthday, bachelorette, activism in politics, awareness, then officially licensed. We don't need to go with that because these are the licensed products which we shouldn't be targeting it, because if you could target with this Disney, Mickey Mouse, Harry Potter, you might get copyright issues. So please guys, don't target them. But I think I'm gonna go with this one over here. I'm gonna go away with the keep calm niche, because keep calm niche is an evergreen niche and it will be popular all throughout the year, and it's not that tough to make in this category, because you could see over here keep calm t-shirts and shirts. It's quite simple to make. Like you can see most of them are having a text-based design, and this is the niche that's quite popular. But again, you could see over here 10,561 search results. So you need to target something which is less competitive. So I could go with the women's t-shirt, but I could sub niche down, not just a simple t-shirt. Now you could see 1,874 search results for keep calm and create your own t-shirts. So you could see that these are basically more of kind of like t-shirts which are only the text-based design are there. That's it. You don't find much of the illustrations that you could have. You could simply make them with a simple text base and easy to make and easy to go with that. This is one niche area you could hop on with related to the t-shirts, and you could target them. Next, see another one over here. If I go over to the clothing and accessories, and let me see the t-shirts related to the maybe the funny, because funny is the most popular niche. It's popular on every print-on-demand websites, and this one is more competitive. You could see 640,000 search results, so this is quite competitive. But again, you could sub niche down the funny men's, funny sayings, funny geek, or funny girls, and all t-shirts. But again, most of things you could see is kind of like a text-based design. But I think I need to sub niche down, so maybe I could go with the funny girls. These are the baby girls or the kids, whatever it is. Again, it's 6,632 search. Again, it's quite competitive. So I could pick up some kind of niches over here and then I could target it. Three ways to find the right kind of product, right kind of niches that sell amazingly well. I've also covered the trending niches. I've also covered the evergreen one. I would always say you to have a proper balance between the trending and the evergreen, not always going with the trending, because once that trend is over, then you won't be getting sales from that particular product, but still having more of the evergreen, because that would be selling all throughout the year. So I would say that from my research, from my points of recording, I would go with the 70-30 thing. The 70 is the evergreen and 30 would be training. And training would be like, for example, if you're going with the Halloween, you will be getting the sales while in this Halloween, and then once this Halloween is gone, then the next Halloween will going to come, then again it will going to get you the sales. So the product once created will going to give you the sales until this platform lasts, so kind of like a more passive. So hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. And
hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want more such video regarding the Zazzle, and what are your troubles? What are your difficulties right now with the Zazzle? Do let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps me knowing whether I really need to make a video on that topic or not. It really helps me in this video content feature every day. So do let me know your doubts, your comments, your questions, everything, whatever you have in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.